Ooh. What do we have here? Oh, yes. We've got some hard seltzer. But not just any hard seltzer. It's hot chocolate hard seltzer. Yes. By Three Birds. Hard seltzer. 5% alcohol by volume. Wine-based hard seltzer made with natural spring water and natural flavors. Whatever those natural flavors might be. Natural flavors. Gluten-free. Yes. Refreshing taste. Oh. And again, natural flavors. All right. I don't know how many ounces this is. It doesn't say, I don't think, anywhere in the packaging how many ounces this is. Is it 12 ounces like a regular can? Or is it less because it's thin and tall? I don't know. But it's 100 calories for one can. So that's pretty good if it's the same size as a regular beer. Oh. Immediately, I get a hot chocolate, like a coffee smell. Ooh. Smells like baking. Smells like baking chocolates. Like, oh man. Oh. Alright. Hmm. Let me see here. Let me pour a little in here. Okay. Oh yeah. It's clear. I guess, because it's seltzer. It doesn't have a color like beer. Uh, Not my favorite, honestly. It it smells great. It smells like baking. It smells like a little Debbie cake or a gingerbread cookie or just chocolate. Like it's got that aromatic, whatever, chocolate chemical smell. Almost like a perfume. But then when you taste it, really, when you taste it, a lot of that chocolate goes away and it's just like a kind of a funky tasting, just a seltzer. It's pretty plain. It's got a little bit of a weird zing to it as a seltzer, but it doesn't really taste that much like chocolate. It just kind of smells like it. So, or maybe like it tastes like a very weak, diluted, watered down hot chocolate. It doesn't have that real hot chocolate because it's just clear, right? That's all it is. It's clear. So, yeah, it's okay. Would I get this again? I got this as a gift. But would I get this again? Buy it for myself? Probably not. It's not my thing. I'm not really big on seltzers. This doesn't really... It smells good. I'm going to be huffing this can all night. But it just doesn't have that good of a taste. It's kind of bland. It doesn't really pack the punch that like a craft beer would. It doesn't have that thickness, that heaviness, that it's just kind of... It just doesn't do it for me. So yeah, Three Birds hard seltzer. I'm gonna give it, I don't know, 5 out of 10 or something, a C. I mean, it works. I'll drink it, but I'm not loving it. It's okay. It's not great. I'd much rather have just a generic light beer. Ooh, yeah. If you liked this terrible review, I have more on my channel. You can go check it out. You are watching it now, but you can go in there and you can see all the terrible videos of me lying in bathtubs and all of that crap.